Hello student, welcome here in integral classes. Today I will explain next topic composition of function which is implies in next exercise 1.3, and after this topic I will explain next topic is invertible function. First I will explain the definition of composition function. In composition function, student, we have given two functions. We will let here two functions f a to b and g b to c. Then composition function fog, it means fog is defined a to c. This is called composition function. Now we will discuss here four types of composition function. First is FOG, second GOF, third FOF, and fourth GOG. So student, I will explain this composition function through example. Now we have given, suppose fx is equals to 2x plus 1 with define r to r, and gx is given x square plus 3x with define also r to r. Now we will find out here first case, discuss first case here FOG. We will read it fog. So f of g x. So we will write here f of g x. Now what is the gx? X square plus 3x. So now we will put here f x square plus 3x. Now we will put here x square plus 3x by x. We will replace here x by x square plus 3x. So now we will get here 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Then answer is 2x square plus 6x plus 1. It is the value of fog. Now second we will find out here GOF x. So how can we will write here g f of x. So now put the value of x. Fx is given 2x plus 1 here. Now we will replace in x by 2x plus 1. Then we will get x is what? 2x plus 1 whole square plus 3 2x plus 1. Now solve it. 2x plus 1 whole square. We will apply here algebraic identities a plus b whole square. So 4x square plus 4x plus 1, 3 to the 6x plus 3. Now again we will apply 4x square, 4x plus 6x, 10x plus 4. So this is the value of GOF and it is the value of fog. So student, as we observe here, these two values are not equal. What is the value of fog? 2x square plus 6x plus 1. And what is the value of GOF? 4x square plus 10x plus 4. It means f of g x is not equal to g of x. Now we will solve for third f of x. So we will write here f of f x. Now we will put the value of fx 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1. Now again in f we will replace x by 2x plus 1. Then we will get 2 2x plus 1 plus 1. So it will become 2 to the 4x plus 2 plus 1 implies that 4x plus 3. Now next is GOG. G-O-G. X we will find out here. G of gx. Now put the value gx. What is the value of gx? X square plus 3x. Now again we will replace x by x square plus 3x. Then x square plus 3x whole square plus 3x square plus 3x. Then we will apply here algebraic identities. A plus b whole square x4 6x cube plus 9x square. Again multiply 3 by 3x square plus 9x. Now we will add them. x4 plus 6x cube 9 plus 3 12x square plus 9x. These four are the types of composite function: for, go, for and go. Now student, I will explain here composition function by Venn diagram. So student, suppose is a function f defined a to b and it is a g, b to c. So student, the function g of f, which is defined a to c, it is a composite function. Now first suppose we have given a number, value of an element set A is given 1. Then we will get the image in set B is 2. Okay. Now we will get B to C. In a B to C G function, and we will get the image of 2 is suppose 6. So we will write here f g o f, sorry, g o f 1 equal to 6. We will write here directly. Consider here f and g, but write inverse. First we will write here g, then f. Here we will read it f and g, but inverse, sorry, not inverse, but we will read if we will find out the g o f. So first we will find out f, then g. It is a GOF. So GOF of 1 equal to, we will get 6. Now I will explain here by an example also. Now I will explain by an example how can we will find out the composite function. We have given f a function which is defined 2, 3, 4 set to 3, 4, 5 and g is given 3, 4, 5 to 7, 11, 15. So we will find out here GOF function 2, 3. Sorry, only I have write here, we will find out here GOF. So how can we will find out GOF? First we will draw a Venn diagram. A, B and C. We will let it is a and this is a B set. It is also B because these are same, and it is a C. Now function A to B is defined F and B to C is defined G. So now element of set A is 2, 3, 4. Element of set B is 3, 4, 5. And element of C is 7, 11, 50. Now suppose F belongs to, A belongs to, 2 belongs to 3, 3 belongs to 4 and 4 belongs to 5. Now 3 belongs to 7, 4 belongs to 11 and 5 belongs to 15. So how can we will find out by Venn diagram? What is the value we will find out here? GOF. So for GOF g of f x. G of fx. First we will put here x equal to what? 2. So g f2. Now what is the value of f2? f2 give him is 3. So now we will put here g of 3. Now g of 3 equal to what? We will get 7. It means directly we should write g of 2 equal to 7. Now second, if we will find out here g of 3, then we should write g f3. What is the value of f3? f3 is 4. So g 4. Now what is the value of g4? g4 gives 11. So we should write directly g of 3 equal to 11. Now next is g of f4. So g of f4. Now what is the value of f4? f4 gives 5. So now we will put here 5 and g5 equal to what? 15. So student, we will write here directly g of f4 equal to 15. Similarly, student, we will find out the value of f of g. For we will find out. Next topic is invertible function. What is the definition of invertible function? So first I will explain here the definition of invertible function. A function f which are where to where defined? X to y to be invertible if there exists a function g which are defined y to x such that g of f equal to f of x equal to ix, it means x. Now student, a function is given here f x to y, so its invertible is its inverse function with g which are defined y to x, and if we will find out the both and for, in both conditions we will get only x. This type of function is called invertible, and f inverse is always equal to g and g equal to g inverse is always equal to f. It means f inverse and g are inverse function to each other. Similarly, g inverse is inverse function of f. Now, if we have given a function is a invertible, how can we will prove? So f is also must be a 1 1 and onto. It means if we have given a function is a 1 1 and onto, it means it is a invertible. Or conversely, if we have given a function is a invertible, it means we will prove here, we will get the function is 1 1 and onto, it means bijective. So the result is if f is bijective function, then f is also invertible. It means we will get its inverse. What is the meaning of invertible? We will get its inverse function. If f is given this, then we will get f inverse. So how can we will get here? So by the example I will explain here. Now we have given two functions fx and gx. fx is given 2x plus 3 f r to r, and gx is given x minus 3 by 2 g defined r to r. Now if we will find out here f of g fog, then we will get value of fog is x, or gof is also x, then we will say that Goff and Fogg, f and g are invertible to each other. It means these two functions are invertible. So how can we will prove? First we will find out f of g x. It means f of gx. What is the value of gx? X minus 3 by 2. Now we will replace here x by x minus 3 by 2. So 2 into x minus 3 by 2 plus 3. Now 2 is cancelled and x minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Now in this condition we will get Fogg equal to x. So as I told you that if we will get Goff or Fogg equal to x, it means these two functions are invertible to each other. So we will write here f and g are invertible to each other. Now we will find out inverse function. So if we have given fx is equals to 4x plus 3, then how can we will find out its inverse function? We have given f and 2n. So what is the inverse? It will be become f inverse is also n to n. N to n, because the function is defined n to n. So for finding a inverse function, first we will show here. What we will show? First show function is invertible. So for invertible, what will we show? The function is 1 1 and on 2. So firstly we will show here this function is a 1 1 or on 2. It means it is a bijective. If a function is a bijective, it means it is a invertible, and if a function is a invertible, it means its inverse function is also exist. So now first we will show here 4 1 1. Now what is the condition for 1 1? As we know that f x1 equal to f x2. So now implies 4 x1 plus 3 equal to 4 x2 plus 3. 3 is cancelled, 4 is cancelled. So we will get x1 equal to x2. It means function is 1 1. Now for on 2, what we will show here? For on 2, range equal to codomain. So what is the range? Range is what? Fx is a range and codomain equal to y. We will put here. Okay, now fx, what is the value of fx? 4x plus 3 equal to y. Now we will find out the value of x in terms of y. So 4x equal to y minus 3, then x equal to y minus 3 by 4. So now if we will put the value of y here, which are belongs to what? Natural number. Now we will put here y equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will get the output, which is the value of x is also belongs to natural number. So function be a what? Function be a onto also. So now we will write here y belongs to n, then x is also belongs to n. So f is onto. Now f is 1 1 and onto. It means it is a f is bijective. So therefore f is invertible. Now f is invertible. It means what is the inverse of f? F inverse is what? We will get the value of f inverse is this. So f inverse x equal to x minus 3 by 4. How can we will show? If we will find out here f of f inverse x, then we will get only x. So for this, now put the value f of f inverse x. Now what is the value of f inverse x? X minus 3 upon 4. F x minus 3 divided by 4. Now function is given fx is equals to 4x plus 3. Now we will replace here x by x minus 3 by 4. So 4x minus 3 by 4 plus 3. Then we will get 4 is cancelled. X minus 3 plus 3 is also cancelled. Now we will get x. So what is the value of f inverse? We will get x. It means it is f is a invertible function, and we will get the inverse is f inverse x is equals to x minus 3 upon 4. Now student, tomorrow we will do exercise 1.3 which are based on invertible function and composite function. If you have any problem, any query, then you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you.